Alright, the one thing I want to try and demonstrate, I've had big issues, and when my SDs get way off the board, and I finally found the problem, and that is this scale, this Hornady lock and load scale, is plus or minus 0.1 grain. And when I was loading for the 25/6 the other night, I decided to get the 502 scale out and start measuring it, and about every third throw was off up to 0.1 grain. So if I'm loading 55 grains of H4831 and my goal is 51 grains, and this thing's throwing some at 54.9 and the next one's 55.1, that's 0.3 grains difference in the throws, and that explains my SDs sometimes go way off. So let's see how this stuff meters. I don't think I'm going to like it. Also, the Barnes manual says I'm going to be doing compressed loads. See, the only way you can keep this thing from throwing overages is to put it in slow-mo. And if I put it in slow-mo, then it's so slow that I can hand trickle this faster than this thing. So I'm not real impressed with these electronic scales. Technology isn't always better than the old school. See, we're over again. So that's 2 I've thrown back. And by the time that I do get a good load, I bet you that I could have hand trickled this in this amount of time. Third in a row, haven't got one good one yet. Okay, that's what, the 4th one? One more, and if this doesn't work out, I'm also noting that this powder is sticking to the inside of the pan, unlike the extruded stick powders. Okay, it's all 5. Now what do we do? It hasn't thrown a single one. Alright, our goal is 43.5. See, this is the part that can take, I mean, I've had it take up to 5 minutes. Alright, that's our target weight. See, if you look at my scale, it's over. It's not on the money. That is real aggravating. It's close, but when you're working up loads and wanting low SDs,